Hey lovelies, the new school year is right around the corner, and I know some of us are excited while others are already counting down to the next holiday, but this year is going to be different. We're leaving behind all the habits, mistakes, and awkward little slip-ups that made last year kinda meh. Today, I'm sharing 10 things every teenager should avoid if you want this school year to be your best yet. From keeping your vibe fresh to avoiding those classic back-to-school traps. Grab a snack, get cozy, and let's make this glow-up season happen. So let's start our video. Avoid gossip and negativity because it drains your mood and can ruin friendships. Carry only what you actually need so you're not tired and disorganized all day. Focus on your own glow up instead of measuring yourself against someone else's progress. Confidence in yourself will always be more attractive than trying to impress everyone. Staying hydrated helps your skin, mood, and energy stay at their best. Building a good relationship with teachers can actually make your school life much easier. Small acts like a smile or compliment can completely brighten someone's day, and yours. Pushing homework off might feel fun now, but it only causes stress later. Avoid skipping assignments thinking you'll catch up later, it piles up fast. Avoid staying in toxic friendships just because you've known each other for years.